TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. Okay, there we go. I want to start out with the gold and silver. It has a lot of news going on. Everything has a lot of news. We've had a 1,000-point move in the Dow Jones. We'll go into that just a little bit. This is the silver. We had a high of 121. We came down to 71, so it dropped $50. Folks, that was the highest price back in 2011 and also in 1980. Now we're having huge swings. Now you'll notice here we had a $12 rally right here going into the high, and then we had the 382 retracement. Then it led to this pattern right here that I mentioned in the middle of the night to tell you that, look, it's not going to be easy to trade this stuff. I said, but wait and see for the little patterns to come together so you don't have to risk very much. You'll notice that we did hit this number here. It hit 84, just like this one did. There was a 382 off of that one. And then we also, as we look at the other one, I'm going to cover these live here in just a minute, but I wanted to give you a heads up of what we were watching as we were looking at these things unfold here. Now, there's the gold market. It was even as clear as a bell. There was your 382 here on Friday. Your ABCD on that measured to 44.61. The low was 44.18. You can see the multiple ABCDs coming down into this level. And what did we rally to? Exactly 382 off of the high. So these they're still working. It's just that the volatility is so great in these things that you can't trade gold with a $10 stop anymore. Well, you won't have to worry about that because they've raised the margins to the top of the stratosphere. That also brings more volatility into the market as people try to exit the market. So we're going to find out now. Is the bull market in gold and silver dead? For a short period of time, it might be, and this might be taken out someday. But right now, all odds say that it's made a major top. In fact, we've been moving lower this morning, and we're going to be covering that when we come back from the break. We'll start out with the gold and silver because I know people maybe are not even interested in it, but you'll be watching it. So we'll be looking at that when we come back. So stay tuned.